Good morning students. Today I am going with class 9th with math subject. Student, we already started chapter number 7 exponents. We were doing exercise 7b. Dear student, from this chapter one or two questions will definitely come in the board examination. Means one question can be come like ki proof that this is equal to this, left hand side is equal to right hand side, we have to prove this question. These type of questions will definitely come. So first I am going to solve this equation. Proof that x raised to power a upon x raised to power b, this is very important question, raised to power a plus b plus minus c into x raised to power b upon x raised to power c whole raised to power b plus c minus a, then into x raised to power c divided by x raised to power a whole raised to power c plus a minus b is equal to 1. This type of questions can come by changing statement also, but definitely will come. So to prove this, we have to take the left hand side. First of all, take this side, leave this one. So here x raised to power a, here is divided by x raised to power b. We will apply that formula, a raised to power m, a raised to power m, n can be written as base same, power will be subtracted because these two are divided. So we can write x same because base are same. Here x is the base, here power is a, here power is b. So we will write a minus b to solve this. इसे लिखेंगे x raised to power b minus c. This we can write x raised to power c minus a. So this power we will keep as it is, a plus b minus c. Then this term can be written x raised to power b minus c whole power b plus c minus a. Next is x raised to power c minus a, then this c plus a minus b. So after that we will multiply a minus b with this term, base is already same, then we will add the powers and similar powers can be cancelled with opposite sign and automatically we will get the answer 1. Let me solve. x raised to power a को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, a इंटू a स्केयर, a इंटू b a b, देन a विद माइनस सी माइनस ए सी, फिर माइनस b को सबसे कर दो, माइनस b विद a माइनस ए बी, देन माइनस b विद प्लस b माइनस b स्केयर, माइनस b विद माइनस c प्लस b c. देन नेक्स्ट दिस वी हैव टू सॉल्व. x रेज टू पावर b को b से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, b स्केयर, b को c से b c, देन b को a से कर दो माइनस ए बी, फिर c को सबसे कर दो माइनस बी सी प्लस माइनस सी को c से माइनस सी स्केयर, देन माइनस सी को माइनस ए प्लस ए सी. Similarly this term we will have to multiply x raised to power c को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो सबसे, c से c स्केयर, फिर a के साथ ए सी माइनस बी सी, फिर माइनस ए को सबसे कर दो माइनस ए सी, फिर माइनस ए विद ए माइनस ए स्केयर, माइनस ए विद माइनस बी प्लस ए बी. फिर आज नाउ वी विल सी कि ये सारे बेस जैसे यहाँ पे भी है x सेम है, बेस एक रखो x, इन सारी पावर्स को प्लस कर दो, एड ऑल द पावर्स. If we will see here we can cancel, this is positive ab, this is negative, this can be cancelled another term. From this BC can be cancelled because this is in opposite sign. Then B here BC is cancelled. Then here AC can be cancelled. So left term we will write x power a square plus BC minus AC minus B square into here what is left, x raised to power B square minus AB, this minus C square plus AC. Then from this C square minus BC minus A square plus AB. Now bases are same, we will add these powers. So x is A square plus BC minus AC minus B square, then plus B square minus AB minus C square plus AC plus C square minus BC minus A square plus AB. Now this is A square positive, this one is negative, so cancel it. BC here is positive, here is negative, cancel this. AC also cancel, B square is cancel, AB is cancel, all the terms are cancel. What is left here? 0. So if any base contains power 0, that answer will be 1. So here we have to prove this is equal to 1. So we will write right hand side, hence proved. So बच्चे similar questions can also come like this. So here 7C exercise, one question I will more solve. 9 raised to power 5/2 minus 3 into 8 raised to power 0 minus 1/81 whole raised to power minus 1/2. So 9 we can write 3 3s are 9, 3 power 2 whole power 5/2 minus 3, this one is 1, like previous we have written here, x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Same here we can write, if any number contain power 0, answer will be 1. Here we can also write power 1. So minus, so 81 के फैक्टर बना लो बच्चे जा, और वी कैन राइट here 9 9s are 81. So 9 power 2 whole power minus 1/2. So this 2 can be cancelled with this. 3 power 5 is left minus this one is 3 is left. So here I already told in previous video कि अगर इस डिवाइड फॉर्म में एक सिंगल पावर है तो इसकी भी पावर सेम होगी, इसकी भी. सो 1 की पावर तो जो भी होगी आंसर विल बी 1. देन 9 पावर 2 माइनस 1/2, और इसे डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हो रिवर्स करके, देन पावर विल बी पॉजिटिव. सो दिस कैन बी कैंसल. सो व्हाट इज़ लेफ्ट हेयर, 3 को 5 टाइम्स लिख लो, 3 इंटू 3 5 टाइम्स हो गया, माइनस 3 इसे राजे ये आ गया आपका 1/9 रेज टू पावर 1. टू मेक दिस पावर पॉजिटिव वी विल टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस टर्म. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्व दिस. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो 243. देन दिस 3 इसे रिवर्स कर लो 9, 9/1 विल बी 9. सो माइनस करो 240 में से 9 माइनस कर दो 1 3, 231 इज़ द आंसर. सो बच्चे ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर सेम, ओनली 2-3 आइडेंटिटीज वी विल यूज. सो प्रैक्टिस बाय योरसेल्फ. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.